Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and those of you guys who are familiar with GitHub, who have seen a lot of repos, maybe open source, private, whatever repos have you have ever seen. Have you ever noticed like all of those teeny tiny badges, like the some maybe of what language is used in the repo, maybe what framework is used in the repo, like teeny tiny badges of that, like C++ or maybe JavaScript or maybe React, whatever technology is used in that, we can see some of that badges in the repos. Not in all repos, but in some of the repos, and obviously in the README section. Have you ever wondered like how they made it and all? Actually, there is plenty of tools to make these badges actually make great readmes. There are plenty of tools to make this. Okay, but today I have a tool, particularly have a tool which have this feature, as well as have different type of badges as well. So let me share that site with you today, and let's have a look and make your readme great, right? So let's just say it. So today we are at MDB. I don't know what MDB is actually stands for, but let's see. And here you can see socials, languages, frameworks, libraries, and more. So simply click on get and you can see a preview window as well as like badge styles over here. So let's suppose maybe for some app we are using express.js. Okay, then we are using who use bootstrap, that's kind of a shit. Tailwind, then we are using suppose Next.js, Express Next, and Tailwind. That's all in all is a full stack app. And maybe we are using something else as well, maybe React, obviously Next. Whenever we are using Next, that means we are using Next, React as well. Then suppose we are using web token as well. Okay, so it will appear over here as well. Then for database, suppose I am using Postgres, not Superbase but Postgres, not Redis. For version control, no, Git, we are using Git and GitHub. Okay, for socials we have Discord. We can give the server name over here. All right, I think so, right? Wait, Discord, yeah. So here we have it. Then Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Linktree is also, yeah, I like this that they have also included Linktree, but I don't want to include it. Then Twitter, then WhatsApp, YouTube, whatever you want. You can have like lots of things over here, right? And you can have the handle name over here as well. Now, this is one of the style of the badges. Okay, now you can select plastic. This will give you that familiar plastic look that we used to see in many of the repos currently. Then we have flat look, that is obviously flat, and flat square, that will give it more square shape. Actually flat is little bit rounded, but you can't see it because that's too small. And flat is like the color is little bit changed over here. In flat square the color is a little brighter. And then we have social type icons where like everything is like social media tooltip type that we used to see in older Facebook or Twitters, though I don't like it at all. uh I will prefer this style, plasticky style. Okay, so I really like it. And here you can get the code. Okay, and here you will obviously mention the handle. And suppose you wanna mention, wait, suppose let's say for Bohon. Okay, so let's just type Bohon. Okay, I can't edit over here. Wait, I can type over here. So basically you understand what happens, right? You copy it, paste it on your readme, then change the handle, and that's it. That's basically about it. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically about this whole website. This whole website is for making badges only. And yeah, that wraps it up. If you like this video in general, why will you like this video? Whatever, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you're gonna use this site or not in the comment section below, because I may use it, because for all of this long like long era, I am when not been using any like decoration tool for my Readme. Actually, I have, if you have great suggestion for like great Readme building tools, please let me know about them, because I want to discover all of them, or maybe compare all of them. That would be a great or like thing, right? So let me know about all of them as well. And uh that's actually about it. If you like if you know about some of the like these apps, like better apps, please let me know about that too. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye.